Today's UN Security Council resolution, therefore, is a very important and timely pronouncement, coming as it does under India's presidency of the UN Security Council. As I said, I want to highlight the fact that the resolution makes it very clear that Afghan territory should not be used to threaten or attack any other country. In particular, the importance, and also underlines the importance of combating terrorism. It also refers to those individuals and entities that have been designated under Security Council Resolution 1267. In that context, I may mention that the Lashkar-e-Toiba and the Jaish-e-Mohammed, the LET and the JEM, are UN Security Council proscribed entities, terror entities that need to be called out and condemned in the strongest. From that point of view, it has been quite unequivocal in the Council, and I think that also reflects the views of Council members as we understand it from the discussions. Today's resolution also highlights the importance of upholding human rights, in particular in the case of women, children, and minorities. India has always provided a very strong support to minority communities in Afghanistan, in particular the Sikh and Hindu minority communities. And it is an important part of our effort to try and bring those Afghan nationals, including minorities, who want to leave Afghanistan and evacuate them. And I think the resolution, in that sense, has indicated a need for developing a safe zone for the passage of travelers in and out of Kabul airport, which is indeed a very positive development. So all in all, I would say that the resolution highlights the will of the Council to take necessary steps that are very important for the international community in its engagement with Afghanistan. And as far as we are concerned, we are extremely happy, as I said, as a neighbor of Afghanistan's, to be part of this important process of continued engagement on this very, very important issue.